It's just like his music, I don't really enjoy it. I feel Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to have a little spring cleanup. I'm going to give my room a little makeover. I'm going to I think maybe look at my clothes a little bit. I will crochet for my spring market. And yeah, I will just have a little spring vlog with you guys. So I hope you will enjoy this. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, welcome back to my channel. Okay, first of all, I wanted to show you my room right now, in which state it is. It's not that bad, I cleaned it up, but I want to show you guys. And yeah, so this is my room right now. I have here, and this is my desk. It's pretty messy and I don't really like it right now. It's a bit a mess and I really want to redecorate it a little bit. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going everything cleaning up and everything, going to redecorate it. I finished cleaning my room. It's like more of a, I don't know, it's like not that, like, it has a lot more colors, and I'm still going to redecorate my posters I have on the walls because they're a little bit like dark and I want like more spring vibes, so I will redecorate them. But I want to show you my room, so let's start with this spot. I made this like a book nook. So I have here, I have all my crystals, I have here all my books and my little incense stand. Then I have here more books. That's for another reason. But then here I decorated this a little bit. This is going to change into like a spring poster, but like here I have my perfumes and a little candle stand with stars on it. Then I think, oh god, I think it looks a lot more like prettier and funnier, but like I want to change these posters. Like some of them I will keep, but like they're pretty dark and I want like more like the vibrant colors. So I will change that. I love the posters on this side. I think they're pretty. And I think I also will keep these posters. But I don't know for sure. And I will change that behind you because that's an autumn poster and it's not autumn. So now that's what I'm going to do. So let's do that. finished cutting all my posters. I have like cute posters. They're very cute and fragile. I thought that's like a thing for me. Then the Smiths, the butterfly effect, a quote, Vivienne Westwood, Converse logo, the Smiths, and no cell phone poster. And now I'm going to change them. So let's do that. I'm done. Look at my pretty wall. And so now I clean my whole room and make it a little bit like spring vibes. And I heard from my mom that we're going to eat pizza tonight. It's for me the second time I've eaten pizza, so I'm pretty scared. So yeah, I'm pretty scared. Like, I think it's good for me to eat pizza. I know that sounds very weird, but like for my eating disorder, it's good that I'm eating pizza. So like I have a little bit more, yeah, a little bit more of a challenge for me. Like I think I'm already very fast in my recovery. Like I don't have a lot of voices anymore or thoughts, and yeah, that's good. But still with this, I have some thoughts, and that's pretty scary, and it's making me pretty scared. But I'm now going to relax and just get mentally prepare myself for the pizza. And after the pizza I need to go to my school because I have a market about a college and I need to be there. I'm really nervous also about that because there are a lot of people there and I'm not that great with a lot of people, so I hope it's going well. There are some friends who are also coming, so I hope they are there. And yeah, that's it, I think. I just ate a pizza. And just like everything, I don't really enjoyed it. I feel really rough right now, like that full feeling on your stomach and like the bloating. I really hate it. Like that's the only thing that I'm still really hate about eating, the full feeling, and I'm just getting really nervous about it. But I know I did the right thing and I know I will not be fat about this. Like only one pizza is okay. So you know, I can live with this, I think. I don't know. I'm just a little bit stressed right now, but I will try and still go and crochet and watch some YouTube or Netflix. I don't know for sure, but I will see. So yeah, I will update you. New day, new challenges. Yesterday I had a pretty rough day. My traumas were pretty bad, so I wasn't really vibing on it. Today I have therapy in the morning, and then I need to go to school for like 2 hours, and then I have therapy again. Yay! But I'm now going to read. I'm reading A Court of Wings and Ruin. I'm not that far in it yet, but I was in a little bit of a book slump, so I'm going to read right now. Good morning. And today I need to study because I have 2 tests next week and I didn't study yet. So now I'm going to study this morning, and then I need to go and help with moving my so yeah, I'm not going to study, and I'm going to study like a lot. So that's going to be fun. Yay! I like what you said. Wait, my music. Okay, I just finished all my studying. Look, wait, I will show you. It's a lot, look. This is all I finished. Not even everything. Wait. Look. God damn it. This is all what I finished today. That's seriously so good. I'm pretty proud of that. So now I will end this video because yeah, I filmed pretty much a lot, and I just want to say that I'm proud of you, that there's always someone that loves you and you're here, and that's the thing that matters. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel or like or do whatever you want, I don't care. But I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.